Officer PG. Oh, gun. Yeah, what's going on?
We had a major blowout this morning.
Okay.
My son here, he's
What's
20.
the year that you're talking about?
No, this is my younger son. My older son, Brandon, 29, he's got mental health issues, and he's been gone for 11 years. I let him back in the house to see if we could help him. He's been having a lot of problems.
Anything physical at all? Or?
Well, yeah, he's kind of threatening with me, you know, and doing things like threatening to burn the house down. And we need some help there, I think.
What does he suffer from?
And he's like pushed the.
Has he been diagnosed with anything?
Yeah. Well, I just had him taken over.
Anybody, man.
We'll talk to you right now, man.
I wasn't threatening anybody, man.
We'll talk to you right now. Take your hands out of your pockets, please.
My hands are fucking in my pockets, man.
They're in your pockets. Take them out.
Not fucking in my pockets, man. It's fucking bullshit, man.
How long has it been going on for a couple of hours, or?
It's been going on for about a half hour now, 45 minutes.
How often does it happen?
Almost. He's been getting like, I don't know, it's been happening during almost.
What is he diagnosed with?
Well, right now it's just OCD and depression, but he's got something more else going on, I think.
Okay.
I
Has
took
he
him
made any
over.
statements about hurting himself, or anything like that?
Can I talk to you a little bit more quiet?
Yeah, that's fine. I'm not too far here.
He said he's homicidal and suicidal, and you know we're really concerned about our safety here, big time. I mean, he threatened to burn the house down a few times now and stuff, and he goes crazy. I'm serious, crazy. He's freaking insane.
Okay.
And I
Go
was
deal with him because he's walking around, so I'll get him in there for
my
something.
wife's in there.
Can we go in?
Fucking bullshit, man.
What's going on, man?
Nothing's fucking going on, man. It's fucking bullshit. They're saying I'm fucking threatening them. I'm not fucking threatening anybody,
Hey,
man.
Calm down. Calm down.
It's
I'm not
fucking
talking to you
bullshit,
anyway.
man.
Take a seat from here, please. Take a seat.
I don't fucking take a seat for anything, man.
Hey,
It's
Brent.
fucking bullshit,
Hold on.
man.
What do you have in your pocket,
I
man?
don't fucking have anything in my fucking pocket, man.
What are you grabbing
Hey,
at?
Brendan.
I'm not fucking grabbing at anything, man. It's
Brendan.
fucking
See your hand.
bullshit, man.
Let me see your hand.
I
Brendan,
don't fucking have anything, man.
Brendan.
It's fucking bullshit.
Brandon. let me
Brendan,
see
there's
your
something in your
I'm not
pocket and it's in your hand, dude.
I'm not fucking doing anything, man.
We want to talk to
Hey,
You
you.
Brendan.
fucking shoot me with that, I'm coming after you, man. I'm letting
Brandon.
you fucking know right
hand.
now.
Let me see your hand.
That's fucking bullshit, man. That's fucking bullshit,
Oh,
man.
Let me see your hand.
1-1.
I
We have
don't
another
fucking
unit.
have anything in my fucking hands, man. Fucking bullshit, man.
Hey, Brendan, talk to us, man.
I don't fucking have anything,
Brandon,
man.
I don't want to shoot you, man. Come on.
I gotta fucking know.
What's
That's
in your
fucking
hand?
bullshit, man.
What's in your
I
hand?
don't fucking have anything in my fucking hands, man.
Brendan, come here, man.
That's fucking bullshit, man.
Let's talk to you. Come
I
here.
don't fucking have anything fucking in my hands, man.
Let me see your hand then.
I don't fucking have anything, man.
Come over here. Walk over here.
Fucking bullshit, man.
Walk over here.
No, that's fucking bullshit,
Code
man.
3.
Do me a favor, please don't hurt him.
I don't fucking have anything in my fucking hands, man.
Hey, Brendan.
Fucking
over here.
bullshit, man.
All
Hey, Brendan, can we talk to you real quick?
No, that's fucking bullshit, man.
That's what. Here's a knife.
That's fucking bullshit, man.
What is he doing?
Here's a knife.
Brandon, it's
Fucking
okay.
bullshit.
Hey, Brendan.
Fuck you.
Brandon, listen
I'm not
to
fucking
Hey.
doing anything,
Get your
man.
gun. I got less lethal.
No, fuck you, man. I'm
Get
not
your gun, I
fucking
got
doing
less
anything,
lethal.
man.
Please don't
Brandon,
I have a fucking pistol too, man. Fuck you.
Please don't hurt him.
put the knife down.
Fuck you, motherfucker, man.
Put the knife down.
I'm coming after your fucking ass.
Brandon! Brandon!
Put the knife down.
Man,
Please don't
I'm
hurt him.
not fucking doing anything, man. Fuck you.
Please don't hurt him.
Hollister, 1-1. We have a knife.
Put the knife down.
I ain't put shit down. Fuck you.
Brandon, talk to us, man. Come here.
I'm talking for shit, man.
Come
Fuck
here.
you.
Come here.
You fucking did this shit. You came to this fucking house. You
Put the
came to
knife
my
down.
fucking house. Fuck you.
Put the knife down now.
I ain't put shit down.
Brandon, talk to us, dude. Come here.
Fucking house. Fuck you.
Come here, man.
Put the knife down, man.
I ain't put shit down.
We're just here to talk.
Fuck you. I ain't talking to nobody. Fuck you, cops,
What's
man.
going on, man?
Fuck you.
What's going on? Come here, talk to
I ain't
us.
fucking talking to shit, man. You're fucking bitches, man. Fuck you.
Put the knife down,
I
man.
ain't put shit down. Fuck you, motherfuckers, man. Fuck you.
Brandon!
Brandon, please.
Fuck you, motherfuckers, man.
Huh?
Please don't
I got a fucking gun. Don't fuck with me, man.
Brandon,
Let me see your hand.
I ain't fucking doing shit. Fuck you.
Brandon, just listen to them, please.
No, fuck you, motherfuckers, man. Go, motherfucker. Fuck you,
Brendan.
motherfuckers,
That's
man.
enough, Brandon. Put that
Fuck
shit
you.
down.
Do
Put
not.
that shit down
I ain't
now.
putting fucking shit down, motherfucker.
There's a fire.
Fuck you.
Brendan.
Fuck you, man.
Brendan, do not.
Fuck you.
Brendan.
You throw
I ain't putting shit down. Fuck you, motherfuckers,
Back up,
man.
man.
Don't hurt him.
Fuck you, motherfuckers, man.
Brendan. Brendan.
Oh, fuck you. I ain't putting shit down.
Brendan.
Fuck you, man.
Take another step, you're gonna get shot.
Fuck you.
Brendan. Talk to us, dude. We don't want to do this.
Fuck both of you, man. Fuck the
Hey.
cops.
Put the knife down,
No,
dude.
fuck you, motherfuckers,
Put the
man.
knife
Put the knife
I
down.
ain't putting fucking shit down.
Brandon, put the knife
Fuck
down.
you, motherfuckers, man.
Brendan. Brendan. Brendan.
No, fuck you, man.
Talk to us, dude.
There's on fire behind you over
I
there.
ain't fucking shit, man. Fuck you.
Let's start medics.
Fuck you, man.
It's a stage.
Please don't hurt him.
Fuck you.
Please.
I ain't putting
Brendan,
fucking shit
Brendan,
down, man. Fuck
Brendan,
you, motherfuckers,
Brendan.
man.
Brandon.
Hey,
Fuck you.
we just want to talk to you, man. Come here.
Shit, man. Fuck you, motherfuckers, man.
Officer 1-2, start
You ain't
fighting.
fucking shit, man.
Stop. Brendan.
No, fuck you, motherfuckers, man.
Hey,
Brandon,
we got a fire.
I don't want to shoot you,
We got a
man.
fire. Hold on.
I don't fucking care. Fucking shoot me. We're big fucking world, right? Fuck you, motherfuckers.
Please don't shoot him. Please, God, please.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I got you. Oh, 311. Third code of Meg 3. You got male. The shot.
I'm gonna shoot you, man.
I don't fucking care. Fucking shoot me. We're big fucking world, right? Fuck you, motherfuckers.
Please don't shoot him. Please, God, please.
Oh, 311. Third code of Meg 3. You got male. Shot. Get him.
I'm for his chest.
Look for what?
Go for his chest.
Was it coming at you?
Yeah. From what I saw, yeah. Everything happens so fast, man.
Where'd you get him? Oh, it's 311. Good shots around him. One ball.
No pressure.
Fired.
We're trying to apply pressure right now.